In this day and age, it's all about staying clean. Everybody's taking wipes to wipe down shopping carts, and you're wearing gloves, and of course, you're using that dreaded hand sanitizer that's drying out your hands. And you don't want to touch anything. So a few weeks ago, I stumbled across something on Instagram, and I ordered a few, and this is what it is. This is the touchless door hook that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so what is it? Well, it's a touchless door hook. You've seen them probably on ads already where you take this hook and you can open doors or press buttons with it. And this one is the same thing, other than one difference is this is retractable. So you can see here, there is a little bit of a knob. There we go. There is your touchless door hook. So the nice thing about this is that it retracts. So if you are using it to pull a door open, for instance, or touch a button, if there are any germs on there, when you retract it, they shouldn't be actually transferring germs into your pocket. But if you are worried about that, you can disinfect this once in a while, which I do. I just take a wipe, a Lysol wipe, and just wipe it down. So what is this good for? Of course, opening doors, not turning knobs, but most commercial doors are not turning knobs, they're actual door handles. And so, opening doors, using to push doors open, what I recommend for that is don't have it fully extended, just a little bit, or just use this to push a door open. Buttons, light switches, even turning door locks, this will work for. As well, you can use this for ATM machines. Who wants to touch those? If you don't have touchless, for instance, or if the store doesn't support touchless, then you can use this. Now, the one thing that I have found though is that these little rubber ends here are great for touching buttons. However, they are not conductive, meaning they will not work on touch screens. So you can't use this on your tablet or phone. You can't use this on an actual screen. Let's say when you go to the grocery store and you want to use a self-checkout, it will not work on the screen. You'll have to use your knuckle or something else. So I did email Emily Designs, who makes this. I'll leave a link in the description of how you can get this, how you can contact him. And he says that on the next iteration, he's gonna try to implement the conductive silicone, and that's gonna make a big difference. Seriously, that means that you will be fully touchless. So that is one issue that I kind of have. It's not really an issue. And the other thing, it's not an issue, I was warned about it, is when you're using this, by the way, they come in different colors and you can get them engraved. You see that there? ER. Okay, you can get those engraved. I think it's $2, or if you order more than 5 of them, there's no charge. Retractable, you have an actual hole here so you can put a ring through it. So you can put this on your keychain, or let's say you have a work lanyard. This is perfect for something for work. If you have a retractable work lanyard, put that on there so you don't have to touch anything around the office. But when you use this, make sure when it's fully extended, don't push too much down. And that's what I made the mistake of. Plus, I was really testing it on some heavy doors. I wanted to see, and I could see it flexing a little bit because there is no support. Once this is fully extended, there is no support in this area here. And if you're pushing on this button thinking that you're helping it, well, this is what can happen. Here it is here, no problem. But when it's fully extended, see? You see that there? Okay, because there's no support here anymore. If I pull it down, then yeah. But it's because I was opening some heavy doors, I was pushing down on this, and all of a sudden, a crack. So what I recommend, if you're using on heavy doors, don't push down. Use this more of you hook and just pull it out a couple inches. That's all you need. Just then you stick your foot in and just pull it out. Anyways, if you're interested in one of these touchless door hooks, go to the link in the description, and it's from Emily Designs. He's charging $20 each, or 2 for $35. And the best thing about it is $5 of every sale goes to the fight of COVID-19. If you are a frontline worker, you also get a discount. He also makes those ear savers for the masks, and for frontline workers, he supplies those to them for free. So I really thank Emily Designs for helping out during this time. And once again, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and if you're interested, check out the link below. Stay safe.